Learning how to drive. Amy is 16 years old. Amy is 16 years old. She lives in a small town. She lives in a small town. Amy is learning how to drive. Amy is learning how to drive. Amy's dad is giving her lessons. Amy's dad is giving her lessons. Amy's dad's name is Howard. Amy's dad's name is Howard. Amy has had 3 lessons. Amy has had 3 lessons. Amy and her dad argue during the lessons. Amy and her dad argue during the lessons. Amy's mom is giving her driving lessons. Amy's mom is giving her driving lessons. Amy's mom's name is Jane. Amy's mom's name is Jane. Jane has given Amy a lesson. Jane has given Amy a lesson. Jane has decided to stop giving Amy lessons. Jane has decided to stop giving Amy lessons. Jane and Amy argue during the lessons too. Jane and Amy argue during the lessons too. Amy's parents call a driving school. Amy's parents call a driving school. Amy is going to get lessons from a professional. Amy is going to get lessons from a professional. The classes cost $300 for 10 lessons. The classes cost $300 for 10 lessons. The lessons are very good. The lessons are very good. Amy learns how to drive. Amy learns how to drive. Amy gets her license. Amy gets her license.